Good afternoon, good evening actually, 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm finally in Kildare, a campsite, lovely campsite. It's cost me £6.50. Shower's been lovely, quiet, few people around as you can might see, but this is the campsite. And today I would like to make a little review about this little gadget here. This one is a GPS Garmin Age Touring. It's cost me, I think if I remember, around £220, bought in Amazon for UK. So I saw many reviews, negatives and good. From my point of view, I've been using these things for like 5 months now. Been touring in the Hebrides, in the Highlands, now in Cumbria and the Pennines. It's good to have it because it's a GPS, so it doesn't need any internet, and when UK and Europe it's easy, the maps are already here. It's not really accurate, like sometimes you don't really understand the road you have to take, but you just select the destination point and it will just take you there. Now you're not able to choose the road, he's gonna choose the road for you, so sometimes can be longer than you actually maybe want to do that. So for example, from Inverness to Ullapool is basically a straight line forward, but using the GPS it was taking me like 50 kilometers more than I had to, just because you want to make me ride over a quiet road. And obviously I knew the road, so I just cycling on my road and I choose my road, but this little gadget can drive you in a different road. It's sometimes longer but quieter as well. Battery, it's okay. It can last like 6 hours, 7 hours depending. It doesn't really need a lot of charging. I normally using my dynamo hub in the bicycle, keep it charging, so in the end of the day with an extra battery bank you can easily recharge it. It's useful, I can say it is useful, but you also will need a map in order to navigate and choose where you're going and where you want to go, because these things can take you from point A to point B, but that's all. There's not really a choice. You can make like a different like a starting location, then a first location you can make like 20 kilometers and in the direction you want to go, then you have to reset up another destination, so you can do this way. It is waterproof, but it depends. It's I was cycling to the Hebrides, exactly in between Inverness and Ullapool, which is 100 kilometers, and it was March, it was snowing, raining, and when you get up to in the mountain pass, which is not even higher, but it's like probably 500 meters, these little things stopped working because it was too cold apparently. But that's my opinion, but it stopped working and it didn't get back to life until I put it in a hot and warm and dry place like my room. So you cannot rely completely on this gadget. You always need a map with you, at least a general map that can give you a direction where you can go. But it's much better than a phone. This one now, for example, I don't have any internet in my phone. I couldn't even know how far it could be the train station for tomorrow, everything. So this one, it works whatsoever, so it doesn't matter. It's a GPS, it doesn't need any internet, so it does the job. If I'm happy to have it, yeah, I think so. There are better models, of course. This one is kind of the basic one. The screen is not very big, so you can see where you are. You can navigate quite well through the city. You cannot expand too much, so in terms of if you want to cycling like 300 kilometers in 3 days and you want to set the map, you're not really able to check because the screen is too small, so you're just gonna lose it. And but yeah, anyway, it does the job. That's the important things. There are bigger models, bigger screens, more powerful, more option of navigation as well, but more expensive as well. So I don't know, I bought this little cover as well. It's a silicone cover, just in case I drop it or stuff. It's not waterproof at all. It doesn't, no. It's pink. It's pink. I thought it was red when I bought in Amazon, but it's pink. Anyway, that's everything for now, and wow, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video and more fun on my touring bike around Scotland and UK. See ya!